It's a 6'4" gay baby. Man, y'all already know what's going on. It's your boy back with another video, man. Back with another banger. Before we get into this video, man, y'all know what to do, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. If y'all like the channel, share the channel. Make the channel go up, man. Up. Y'all see it? Up. Make it go up all 2021. That's, man, y'all know that's what we doing. We going up all 2021. I can't say it enough, man. Let's go ahead and get into this video, man. Nice and bright, sunny out. Y'all see what's going on, man. I gotta put some work into her. Definitely gotta put some work into her. My boy Richie supposed to be putting some work into it, but that boy been procrastinating, you hear me? Yes, ma'am. He said he could do it.
Okay.
I can give you his phone number.
Okay. I've been saving money to get my windows done.
Okay.
I called, what's the name? That one place come talking about you buy one, they got one free. One window, $800.
Oh, wow.
Corner.
All right, let me know how it goes.
I sure will. Thank you.
All right, you have a good one. But anyway, man, we're gonna get back to this video. Y'all hear it. Y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all see it too, man. Got a package. It's the favorite spot. Y'all know that smile. Yeah, sirski. Let's go ahead and bust this package down, man. See what's inside. Uh-oh. What is that? Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. JLT, oil separator, oil catch can, whatever you want to call it, man. Finally getting this installed. Must need if you got a Challenger Charger, or better yet, any car. This is a must-needed mod for your car, man. Going definitely preserve the life of your engine. You hear me? I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing installed, man. I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to do it. If y'all don't know how, man, y'all can just follow me. I'll lead the way. Let's get to it, baby. All right, gang. I'm about to get this GoPro mounted to my head. Throw it on there and get y'all POV of how to install this oil catch can. Yes, sir. Let's get to it, baby. All right, gang. So, got the oil separator. One PVC hose. You're gonna have to use your existing one. I'll pop this out, pop this hose out, use this elbow connector on this. This is the bracket to hold it in. You're gonna have to remove this screw, put the bracket on. 2 screws go on the top of the bracket. You should be good to go. Yes, sir. So let's go ahead and get this thing removed. Go ahead and get this pipe removed. Might need a flathead, but let's see. Boy, that thing greasy. I need some motherfucking. I need a towel. Use this flathead. Good. Well, that thing is in there. Jeez Louise. My goodness. We're gonna get it out. Yes, sir. She coming out slowly but surely, but dang. Okay. Gee. Jeez. Okay. Let's get you out. All right now. Y'all see it? She out of there. OEM. Still got a sticker on her. Phew. Phew. Let's get this mechanic set out. What size y'all think that is? I'm gonna go for 11. I think it's too small though. Way too small, way too small, way too small. Maybe a 13. Probably 15. Well, damn, doofus. That's a 15. Alright, gang. So it's a 15. To get this off. Oh man. There we go.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
The smoke comes out, and the smoke comes like boom. And they have to stay on grass because it might burn my face to black.
Black? You already black. Alright, guys. So you gotta turn this all the way till it's 90 degrees. 90. This is gonna be harder than it seems. Alright, gang. Y'all might have to dig up under that little sill a little bit. Just a little bit with your flathead. Loosen it up. It depends on if your car is newer or older. Might have a little bit of oil burnt down up in there. You hear me? Yeah, everything looks good. See that hole pointing directly towards me. Knock a little of that dust up out of there. A little bit of that dust up out of there. First things first, get this bracket installed. Two screws that go at the top. Not too tight, not too tight. Just enough to keep it on there. So as you can see, this is gonna insert into here. This one will insert into there. Yes, sir. Simple as that. Simple as that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these screws in here. Ooh. Yeah, that'll hold, that'll hold. Well, damn it, I need a screwdriver. Perfect. Not too tight, like I said, man. Just getting this thing on here. Let's go ahead and get it on here before we get it settled. Yes, sir. A dandelion? Ah. Alright, gang. We got everything. And we can go ahead and get it tightened down now. Yes, sir. Not too tight. We're just gonna get it snug.
What's this? What's this blue?
Hold on, Diddy.
What is this?
Alright, gang, as y'all can see, all installed. Simple install. Very simple, but well worth it. You're gonna save the life of the engine, prolong it, make it last, baby. Protect y'all investment, man. Get you one. Oil catch can. I got mine off Amazon. Love it. 2-day shipping. Can't beat it. 6.4 liter Hemi, man. Y'all know what's going on. Yes, sir. 6.4, baby. 6.4, baby. What's understood ain't gotta be explained, baby. Yes, sir. Shout out to Griff. Be seeing you soon, Griff. Be seeing you real soon. Like I say, man, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I cannot say it enough, man. We'll go ahead and end this video out, man. Till next time. Yes, sir. Keep their foot on their neck. You can't feel my pain, can't feel my struggle. Got out the mud, towing.